Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Unboxing and How-Tos, and I just had a recent problem today. I cracked my iPhone screen, so I'm just going to replace it with my other one. And the things you're going to need are just a suction cup from like a shower to hang your accessories on, and a paper clip to take your SIM card out, and you're going to need a really tiny flat-headed screw. If you guys can see that, it's really flat. Small. And then, alright, first things first, you're going to take out your SIM card, your SIM trays. Take each one out so you don't mix them up. Alright, and then I'll take off the broken screen first. You guys can see that? Try to get these out. They're kind of hard to take out at first. You just gotta like push them out. If you have a magnet, it's a lot easier. Just try to pop them out. There we go. Come on. Wow. Alright, there we go. See, we got them out. And then I'll just take these out also. There we go. Drop one, but I'll get it later. Alright, so you're going to need to use a suction cup and somewhere like relatively near the home button. And for this one, since it's big, I'm just going to put it on sideways. So like right there, and then just kind of pull lightly. This one, some might be harder than others. There. Oh. It's okay if your phone's still on. Alright, there we go. Alright, see, after a couple of tries, it eventually will come off. And there you go. Alright, now, the thing with this is, there's, at the top of it, right there, at the top right corner, there's a 1, 2, 3. And 1 and 2 are visible, but 3 is under 2. You guys can see that. And for those, you're just gonna pry them off really quickly. Just like, if you guys can see that, here. I'm just gonna pop it off. There we go. Okay, now for the last one, you can just pull it off, but I like to pull this white thing off and then just easily slide it out. Did you guys get that? Just 1, 2, 3. And then there you go. It's completely removed. And now I'll do the same for this one. Just there you go. Just suck it off really fast. And then these ones are a little looser, so they just pop off faster. And then take out the white thing on the bottom, flip it up, and then just slide it right off. And then now I'm gonna assemble the clean one onto the 16 gig. Alright, now for this you're going to want to put 3 first, number 3 first, and then 2, and then 1. So for 3, for this little piece right here that you folded up, you're going to leave it folded up and then easily slide it in. It's kind of difficult, but you'll get the hang of it after like a couple tries. Just like slide it in. There we go. Once it's slid in, just pop the white down and then try to put the 2 on where the 2 should be. And do it with the fingers. Might be easier. Put the 2 on and then the 1. Alright, and then just shut it, and then it should go straight. And then as you can see, if the wirings weren't on right, you know, the codes wouldn't work or anything like that. And then once you're done, just get the SIM card you had on, put it back in. We could have actually done it with the SIM card in, but I'm just saying, it would have been safer if you didn't. And then we put the other one back on the other phone. And then you can just put the screws back on, and you're done. And thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe, and watch our other videos and our iPad giveaway.